Truckparking Distripark Botlek is located next to the A15 motorway. Take exit 15. At the end of the exit, drive south and follow the bend to the right. At the next junction, turn right. Truckparking Distripark is open 24/7. And daytime parking is free of charges between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. The parking is accessible for normal transport, but not for hazardous substances. Do you have ADR cargo? Then divert to Truckparking de Punt on the other side of the motorway. Turn right to the entrance and drive up to the pedestal. The license plate camera will record your front license plate number. Register your visit via the touchscreen. First, select the desired language. If you have a valid cargo card, place it in the holder. If you do not have a cargo card, press the No Cargo Card button. Check if your license plate number has been read correctly. Press Yes if the license plate number is correct, or press No to correct it. Then select the type of vehicle, normal or reefer, which means refrigerated transport. Attention! Refrigerated transport access may not be possible at this time. Once the facilities for reefers are installed, an update to this tutorial will be made, explaining the procedure for refrigerated transport. After confirming the registration details, the gate will open automatically. Remember to take your cargo card out of its holder. Or, if not using a cargo card, to take your printed ticket, day pass, with you. You will need it to leave the premises. In case of any problems, different screens may be shown, and the gate will not open. In that case, or in case of other problems, you can press the intercom button for assistance. When the light turns green, you can enter the parking lot. Please park your truck in the designated parking bays only. Please pay attention to the rules. No access for private cars, coaches, and hazardous substances. There is a speed limit of 15 km per hour on the premises, and uncoupling trailers is prohibited. Violation of the rules can lead to additional charges and significant delays on departure. In the facilities building, you have 24/7 access to sanitary facilities. Refreshments, free Wi-Fi, television, washing machine and tumble dryer. Ladies need a code to access the female sanitary facilities. Please call the control room to obtain this code. In the recreation room, vending machines are available for coffee and other refreshments, as well as television, 230-volt sockets, and free Wi-Fi. To use the other facilities, washing machine, tumble dryer, and shower, you need a facility card, Wash Pass. This card is available 24/7 from the card machine, next to the coffee vending machine. These card machines are also available at other locations of Truckparkings Rotterdam and work the same way everywhere. Use the keypad to select your choices. Choose your language and select New User. You can choose how much credit to put on the card, and the credit can be recharged at any time later. Follow the instructions on the display and pay with a valid bank card or credit card. The same card can also be used at other locations of Truckparkings Rotterdam. You can use the card for the washing machine, among other services. Put your laundry in the machine and add washing detergent. Caution: do not use too much detergent. Too much detergent causes malfunctions and leaks. Close the door and choose the desired wash program by turning and pushing the knob. Then go to the pay machine on the wall, next to the washing machine. Choose the desired language and select Washing Machine. The price appears on the display, and you can pay with your facility card, Wash Pass. Hold your card in front of the reader at the bottom of the pay machine. If everything is correct, the washing machine will start automatically. A similar procedure applies to the tumble dryer. Obviously, you then select dryer instead of washing machine. Attention! First of all, check the dust filter and clean it if necessary. Otherwise, your laundry will not dry properly. You can also use the card to take a hot shower. Place the card in the holder and press the green button. Don't forget to take your card with you after showering. There is an AED and a fire extinguisher in the facilities building. In emergencies where every second counts, call 112 immediately. In all other cases, please call the control room of Truckparkings Rotterdam, or use one of the on-site intercoms. You can leave the premises on foot at any time via the turnstiles at the entrance gate. Remember to bring your cargo card with you, or your printed ticket, day pass, if you did not use a cargo card on entry. You will need it to re-enter the site. To regain access to the site, you must present your cargo card or ticket at the turnstile. Insert your cargo card into the holder, or hold the barcode of your ticket in front of the scanner. Please pay the parking fee before leaving with your truck. Go to the pay machines next to the building. If you are using a cargo card, place it in the holder. Or scan the barcode of your ticket at the bottom of the machine. Please hold the barcode at the upper side. The price appears on the display, if paid parking applies. And you can pay with a valid bank card or credit card. Cash payments are not possible. After payment, you have 20 minutes of exit time. See parking rates during the working week. And during weekends. The costs for use of electricity are based on current energy prices. Attention! The prices shown in this video for parking and facilities may be outdated. See publication date on the top right of the screen. As soon as prices change, a link to the new prices will appear on YouTube at the top right of the screen. After paying, or after free parking during daytime, drive to the outgoing gate. If you drive slowly, the license plate camera will automatically check your license plate. If If everything is registered correctly, the gate will open automatically. If the gate does not open automatically, then stop at the pedestal. Put your cargo card in the holder or scan your ticket. In case of any problems, please use the intercom. Thank you for your visit. Drive carefully, and we hope to see you soon.
Visit our website, truckparking-rotterdam.com, for information and videos of all our truck parking locations.
Please subscribe to our video channel to keep informed about new videos.